Hello student, a very warm welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. After a long time, after 2 weeks, we are just interfacing each other. Today we will continue our topic. In the previous video, I have discussed about the quadrilateral chapter. In this video, we are going to see about the parallelogram. So parallelogram is the type of quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and opposite sides are parallel to each other. Opposite angles are equal and the diagonal of a parallelogram divides two triangles into congruent triangle of equal area. ठीक, तो क्लास 8 में हम लोग पढ़ रखे हैं कि पैरेललोग्राम क्या होता है. ठीक है ना. टुडे we are going to see few concepts and after that we are going to solve some theorems or proofs on the parallelogram, है ना. तो in this video we are going to see the topic that is results or result on parallelogram and this is the representation of a parallelogram. ठीक है. So if we consider a parallelogram, see, if we consider a parallelogram ABCD, है ना, in the parallelogram, see this side is parallel to this side and this side is parallel to this side. Okay. Now if we take a diagonal that is AC डायगोनल लेते हैं तो इसको ज्वाइन करते हैं. ठीक है. तो कंसीडर करो कि मान के चलो कि हमारा CD एक पैरेलल है और ये डायगोनल है और ये हमारा साइड है, तो ये दोनों आपस में पैरेलल है. तो यहाँ पे जो ये एंगल होगा, ये एंगल होगी, है ना, मतलब कि एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 3. ठीक, मान के चलो कि एंगल 1 जो है वो एंगल 3 के इक्वल. ये पहला कंसेप्ट हुआ. क्यों इक्वल है एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू एंगल 3? क्यों इक्वल है? अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. इफ वी कंसीडर CB and AD is a, if we consider AD is parallel to BC, है ना, so we can write that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. क्यों कह सकते हैं इसको? को इंटीरियर एंगल. क्या कहेंगे किस कंडीशन पे? को इंटीरियर एंगल्स. ठीक है. इसी प्रकार से अगर हम कंसीडर करते हैं कि AB हमारा पैरेलल है किसके? AB इज पैरेलल टू CD, है ना, और A हमारा ट्रांसवर्सल है. जब हमने AD एंड BC को पैरेलल माना तो AB हमारा क्या था? AB इज द ट्रांसवर्सल, है ना. Now AB is parallel to CD. Now AB is parallel to CD. We consider AD is transversal. So we can write angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. Again same condition, that is co-interior angles. ठीक है. Now we will use this concept, है ना, to prove the theorems. है ना. We know that a parallelogram is having opposite sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, and 2, if a diagonal divides a parallelogram into two triangles and that two triangles is congruent of equal area. Okay. So we will do that theorem. ठीक है. Theorem number first. given ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay, ABCD is a parallelogram. Draw a parallelogram ABCD. Okay, now in this we can say that the opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel to each other. ठीक है, to prove first one, that is if we take two triangles है ना, that is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC. Okay, this is the first one we have to prove, and the second one is we have to prove that AB is equal to CD or DC. Second is in this, and we have to prove that is BC is equal to AD, and the third one, that is angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D, है ना. हमको क्या करना है, अपोजिट एंगल्स ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम ऑफ आर इक्वल, ये भी प्रूव करना है ना. तो प्रूव करने के लिए हमको दो ट्रायंगल चाहिए, तो इस ट्रायंगल को लेने के लिए सबसे पहले हमको कंस्ट्रक्शन करना होगा, है ना. वी विल डू कंस्ट्रक्शन. कंस्ट्रक्शन में हम क्या लिखेंगे, ज्वाइन ए एंड सी. हमने ए एंड सी को ज्वाइन कर दिया. Now to prove, in proof we can write in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. See, we can say that one, 3, 2, 4. We can say that, see, angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. These two are equal of alternate interior angles, है ना. Now we can say that AC is equal to AC. Both are common side. So we can write that, therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle ADC by the condition of angle side angle. Okay, angle side angle, or we can say that angle side. We can say that angle side. So we can write द नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. हम लोग क्या देखे हैं कि जब दो ट्राइंगल आपस में कॉन्ग्रेंट हो जाता है ना, तो उसका अपोजिट या उसका करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स, करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आपस में क्या हो जाते हैं, इक्वल. सो वी कैन राइट दैट दिस वन द फर्स्ट वन, एंड द सेकेंड वी कैन राइट ए बी इज इक्वल टू सी, ए बी इज इक्वल टू सी डी and BC is equal to AD. We can say that CPCT से इसको लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. Now if we know angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, so we can say that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Right, angle B is equal to angle D. This is also from CPCT, है ना. So we can write angle A is also angle C, है ना. If we consider the triangle, that is if we draw मतलब हम बोल सकते हैं कि अगर हम बी डी डायगोनल ड्रॉ करते हैं तो एंगल सी और एंगल ए भी क्या होगा, इक्वल होगा, है ना। सो देयरफॉर वी कैन राइट हेंस फ्रॉम द above theorem we can conclude that we can say that a parallelogram is having opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are also equal, है ना। बोल सकते हैं कि from the above theorem we can say that a parallelogram having opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are also equal, है ना। Now we can see the next theorem, that is if we draw two diagonals and the two diagonals intersect each other, है ना। तो इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है तो क्या वो बाइसेक्ट कर रहा है कि नहीं कर रहा है वो देखना है। तो याद रखना कि पैरेललोग्राम का दो डायगोनल आपस में बाइसेक्ट करता है एक दूसरे को, है ना। ठीक है, उसको देख लेते हैं क्या है। सी वी हैव सेकेंड थ्योरम, दैट इज प्रूव दैट द डायगोनल ऑफ अ पैरेललोग्राम आर इक्वल। इफ वी कंसीडर अ पैरेललोग्राम, ओके, we have just proved that its opposite sides are equal, है ना। if we draw the diagonals, that is AC and the second one is BD, okay, so both the diagonals intersect at the point O, okay, so we have in this theorem we have to prove AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD, है ना। तो सॉल्यूशन दैट इज गिवन, क्या दिया हुआ है कि ABCD is a parallelogram and in which we can say that in which, है ना, that is AC and BD intersect at O. To prove AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD, okay, for this we can say that we can take two triangles, that is triangle AOB and in triangle AOB and we can say that COD, okay। now we are seeing here that is this is parallel and this are equals, है ना, मतलब पैरेलल भी है और इक्वल भी है। तो सो वी कैन राइट दैट AB is equal to CD, AB is equal to CD, क्यों, opposite sides of a parallelogram, okay। now if we consider this angle 1 and this angle 2, we can say that angle 2 is equal to angle 1 because alternate interior angles. Again we can say that if we consider this angle 3 and this angle 4, we can say that angle 4 is equal to angle 3 and this is also for the same condition, है ना, alternate interior angle. So we can say that therefore triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD from angle side criteria से। therefore we can say that AO is equal to OC, corresponding sides of a congruent part, है ना, and we can say that BO is equal to OD. We can write this from CPCT. Hence, we can say that the diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. Okay, we will do few problems and we are going to end this video. Okay, see, we have a basic problems, है ना, that is question number 1. If we have given a parallelogram and in which angle 1 or angle A is given, that is 65 degree, so we have to find the remaining angles, है ना. तो रिमेनिंग एंगल निकालने के लिए हम लोग एक प्रॉपर्टी जानते हैं कि इसका एडजेसेंट एंगल को जोड़ने पे 180 डिग्री होता है. ठीक, क्यों? एक प्रॉपर्टी है दैट इज को इंटीरियर एंगल्स एंड वी नो दैट ऑल्सो its opposite angles are also equal. So we can consider, or it is given ABCD is a parallelogram, है ना. ABCD is a parallelogram in which angle A is 65 degree. So we can write the given point, that is a parallelogram ABCD in which angle A is equal to 65 degree. Therefore, we can write angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree because of co-interior angles, है ना. So this is 65 degree and we can write we can find out the angle B, है ना. So angle B is equal to 180 minus 65 degree. Now we can calculate this and we got the result, that is 115. Now we can write angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D, and this is equal to 65 degree and this is equal to 115 degree because of opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So दिस इज़ योर बेसिक प्रॉब्लम, है ना. इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आएगा एग्जाम में तो आप बना सकते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू मूव अनदर टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सी वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ABCD is a parallelogram in which diagonal AC and BD, diagonal AC and BD intersect at O. If DAC is 32 degree and AOB is 70 degree. So we have to find the value of DBC. We have to find the angle, this angle, है ना. तो ये हमारा पैरेलल है and this is also parallel. So we can say that this angle is equal to this angle. तो हमको ये एंगल निकालना होगा सबसे पहले, है ना. तो क्या करेंगे, देखो, गिवन we can say that angle DAC is equal to 32 degrees and angle AOB is equal to 70 degree. So we can write angle AOB plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. Okay, so this is 70 degree plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree. So we can write angle AOD is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110 degree. ये कितना आ गया, 110 डिग्री. Now we can consider a triangle. In triangle AOD, है ना, we can write angle AOD plus angle OAD plus angle ODA is equal to 180 degree. Since sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. ठीक. Now we can say that this is 110 degree, OAD that is 32 degree plus angle ODA is equal to 180 degree. The angle ODA is equal to 180. See, this is 142 minus 142 degree. This becomes 38 degree, है ना? Therefore, we can write angle ODA is equal to angle DBC. Okay, that is equal to 38 degree because of alternate interior angles. Hence, we have calculated the value of angle DBC. So, go through the chapter and try to prove all the theorems, है ना, और ट्राई टू रिवाइज दिस थ्योरम ओनली, है ना, मतलब कि आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इसी थ्योरम को सिर्फ रिवीजन कीजिए और इस पे बेस्ड क्वेश्चन आपको जो लगता है वो बनाइए, ठीक है। आई विल गिव द PDF इन द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप। ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे, थैंक यू क्लास।